Stephanie and I am with Mommy and Me Studios, and welcome to our very first craft time. I am here with my son James, who is 2 years old, and he is going to help us make watercolors for the very first time today. Are you ready to do this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, hold on. So we're going to go through what you need. You want me to hold you? I can hold you for a moment. So all you need is an ice tray, some food coloring, some popsicle sticks, water, and paper. It does work best with watercolor paper, but you can use computer paper just fine. All right, you ready to start helping?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, so first of all, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it because it saves on my popsicle sticks. I'm going to cut these in half so that they're not super long. These are also the jumbo size, so they're a little bit thicker for little hands, but again, not necessary. You can do this with any popsicle sticks. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill our ice tray with some water. I'm just going to do these 4 middle ones since I've got 4 different colors. And then, this is where you're going to help me, James. Yeah. We're going to take our dye, and I don't have regular food coloring, I only have icing coloring, so this is what we're using because it's what I have. And we're going to take the stick inside, take a little bit of that coloring, and pick it in here and stir it. You're going to stir it with me? Here, give me your hand. Give me your hand, and we're going to stir. We're going to make the water green. Is that green?
Yeah.
Green. I also stuck the cut part into the ice, so that's not the part that they're touching when they color later. You leave the popsicle sticks in because this is how we're going to watercolor later after they're frozen. You just kind of mix it up, and sometimes you might have some mixed colors, but that's okay. I think that looks good. What do you think? Do you think that looks good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, so now that we are done mixing up our colors, we're going to go ahead and put these in the freezer. For best results, it does say that you should freeze them for 24 hours, so you could do this overnight. I have one tray already done that we're going to bring out to demonstrate, and they should look like this. So they almost look like little popsicle sticks, and what we're going to do now is we're going to put that there and pull out our watercolor paper. Are you ready? Yep, here. Come here, you have to stand up again. Okay, take it and color on the paper. And we have homemade watercolors. Is that fun? Yeah? Okay, thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope that you like this new series of ours. Stay tuned and make sure to follow our page if you want to see more. Thank you very much. Bye!